Hello and welcome into the 3D. Today we are going to review this mini wireless USB adapter which I got from Argos, and I will put the link in the description for those who would like to buy this. This is how the product comes, and if we look inside, we have a CD, some installation guides, and I need to mention that this CD is just a digital user guide. You don't need to install any drivers for this product. Lastly, we have the USB stick. You should take off the plastic cover like this. Then you can simply take the USB stick out and plug it directly to your computer. On the screen, you can see that I don't have internet connection, but if I plug this and wait few seconds, you will see that the light of the USB stick is activated, Wi-Fi is working, and now I have the internet connection. If you're wondering the connection speed, I test this product by playing online games, and I would 100% recommend this. If you like this video and wants to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more content. Once again, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.